Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Unibet, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for Unibet login in Google. Now right after that you'll be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you need to tap on it, and you will be redirected to the official login page of Unibet where it is asking us for our email address and our password. So let me show you an example. So yeah, once your credential gets complete, click to login and you'll be able to log in. And by chance if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgotten passwords on in the screen and complete the formalities and you'll be able to log in. So basically this is how you can log into Unibet, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.